What are you doing?
Bothering Daddy.
They're bothering Daddy. Hi, Amanda.
Hi.
How old are you? 2. How old are you, Ben? 3 and a half, right? Say 3 and a half.
3 and a half.
Amanda, what's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda. I'm 2.
I'm 3.
I know, 3 and a half.
I'm 3 and a half.
No, you're not.
I'm 3.
You're not 3. You're 2. 2?
No.
What's your
I'm
mommy?
3. Mommy,
I'm 3, right?
Hey, Ben,
3 and a
what's
half.
I'm 3 and a half.
I know.
Ben, what's
Ben,
your mommy's name?
What's my name?
Mommy.
No, my other name. Yes. Okay, it's cute. Say Antoinette.
Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you. Go.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Say hasta la vista, baby.
I love Vista, baby.
Come on, Amanda.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Hello,
Amanda,
Vista,
say hasta la vista, baby. Amanda?
Baby.
I told you.